Hello dear learners, this video is made for education and training purposes. So today we are going to see that how to extract a raster layer according to our boundary shape file or according to our area of interest. So we'll go to ArcMap and we will load our file by clicking on this icon add data, and first I will load my raster layer, that is I have elevation layer here. Okay, so we can change the color pattern here in symbology, and we can visualize it like this. Okay, so this is the elevation layer for whole Uttarakhand, and here the low value is 187 meter and the high value is 7552 meter. Now our purpose is to extract uh, the elevation layer as per our desired save file. So suppose here I have division boundary of Garhwal Forest Division. So what I can do in this case, that I want to extract the elevation layer according to this boundary. So for that I can go to Arc Toolbox, and then in Spatial Analyst tool there is one icon, that is extraction, and then extract by mask. So we can double click on this extract by mask, and we can give input as elevation and the layer by which we have to mask. So Garhwal Forest Division. Then next is output raster, by which name the file will be saved. So we can write elevation G GFD, that is Garhwal Forest Division. Okay, we can click on save, and okay. So here you can see we have a green tick, so our file is ready. Now we can remove this elevation layer and we can see it on full zoom. We can go to properties, symbology, and we can give colors. Okay, so here you can see that how to extract the raster layer uh, by using any shape file. So this is the elevation of Garhwal Forest Division. Now another feature which is available in this tool itself is that if we have multiple layers to extract by using a desired save file, so in that case what we can do, means first we'll remove this, and I'll load two layers here. Suppose I have two layers, that is elevation, and suppose I have another, that is aspect, and one more I can take slope. So I have three layers here. Okay, you can see it, three layers are there. One is elevation, okay, then aspect, and then slope. All the three you can see. This is for whole Uttarakhand. Slope, then aspect, and elevation. Now we want to extract all these three layers according to our Garhwal Forest Division boundary. So for that we can go to Arc Toolbox. The same tool will be used, but we will use batch process in this. So we will right click on this tool, and you can see one batch is written here. So we'll click on batch, and now it is asking for input raster. So there are two ways: you can browse and you can select the file here, or you can use drop down. So first you will select elevation, then you will add, then again you can use aspect, then next is slope. So for this option the file should be opened on this in this viewer, and now it is asking that input raster of feature mask data, means by which layer we have to mask. So we here we have shapefile of Garhwal Forest division. So we will simply copy it and we'll paste here again. Okay. Now we have given input and we have given the input raster of feature mask data. Now we have to give the output raster, that where we are taking output. So we will browse, and already we have elevation GFD, so we will write elevation GFD1. Okay, save. And now we can browse here and we can write aspect underscore GFD, and then again we can browse and we can write slope underscore GFD. Now click OK. So it is saying that the length of the grid based name is longer than 13. So what we can do in this case, that mm, the elevation name we will reduce. We can write ELE only elevation GFD1 and click OK. So you can see that all the three layers will be masked together in a one go. Okay. So now we can remove these layers, and now we can visualize this. So by default it has opened slope, so we can add other layers also here, that is elevation GFD and quick GFD. Okay, so you can see that all the three layers has been generated, and we can visualize it. Okay, aspect, we can give some other color, and then slope. So this is our slope, this is aspect, and this is our elevation. So here we have learned that how to extract raster layer according to our shape file. If we have single file, we can use the tool. If we have multiple file, we can use batch process. So thank you.